Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's start the discussion with Artyom Morozov. Artyom Morozov versus Vitaly Lalitin was one of the best left-handed super match in history. It happened at East versus West 16. Artyom Morozov got seriously injured, and so far the news is that a cast has been applied to his left arm. He is on rest for 2 weeks, and then a follow-up examination will be conducted. However, have a look at this latest post from Artyom Morozov. He has plaster on his left arm, but he is still training with his right arm. This shows the kind of dedication Artyom Morozov has. Really, Artyom Morozov showed why he was the undefeated left-hand champion for so long. I wish he returns soon to avenge his left-hand world title loss. Moving ahead, Hermes posted a video titled Levan Saginashvili, in which he confirmed that he will fight Levan at the end of this upcoming June. Hermes explained that initially he thought he would fight Levan later, but after talking with his coach and realizing his gains, Hermes now believes he is ready for Levan. Now moving ahead, we are not really sure who will be Devon's next opponent, but Devon answered Hermes in one of his latest videos. Devon called out Hermes for a left-hand super match, saying he would love to teach Hermes another lesson. Well, I do not think this match is happening. What I think is Devon Larratt versus Vitaly Lalitin is something which will happen next for Devon, because I am saying Vitaly also talking about it. Now next we have Denis Ibzenkov. Denis recently went for his test to see how is his health, where the doctors asked Denis to explain why he was there. Denis explained that last year he fatigued his body a lot and he did not find strength to train. Also his tests were bad. Denis also said maybe it was the coronavirus that affected him so badly. Denis is currently weighing 121 kg and doctors will run some more tests to analyze what is lacking. Denis is really serious about his health. Now last but not the least, we have new East versus West rankings, where we have Levan at the top of the right arm and Vitaly Lalitin at the top of the left arm. So guys, that's all for this video. Subscribe and press the bell icon for daily arm wrestling updates. See you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.